So here's Pokémon GO Plus for Apple Watch. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch till the variant so you don't skip any important steps. For this, open your Chrome browser, and here you have to search for the Pokémon GO Plus for Apple Watch. Now you have to open this article. As you can see, this continued support for Apple Watch here is state that Pokémon Go officially ends the spot for Apple Watch in 2019. Trainers using Apple Watch will no longer be able to access the Pokémon Go through their Apple Watch. Here you can see that 5 Pokémon Go make this change. Here you can also read how you can continue to track your distance, because Adventure Sync allow trainers the option of tracking their steps. Train no longer have to separate their gameplay between 2 devices. So this was Pokémon GO Plus for Apple Watch.